Good morning, children. Just today I have started once again the new chapter, chapter 9. This chapter is regarding the representation of number in another style. The style has changed, means the way has changed. Now I am going to express the number. This is 12 and this is 21. Both 12 and 21 is made up of two numbers, 1 and 2. But what is the difference? The difference is that the way of numbers, the writing of number has changed, the order of number has changed. And this same is expressed in another way, that we call abacus. In abacus, we show the numbers on the spike. We call it as spikes. The line which we see here, that line is called the spikes. Like two stick like, or to any vertical rod like structure, and we feel the beads. We call it beads. We count the beads, or we draw the beads. We put the beads in the spike, 2 here. So we draw 2 spikes, 2 beads. This 2 circle represents 2 beads of this in this spike. We call it ones. Its value is only 1. 1, it is 1, it is also 1. Its value is also 1, but this is 1, and we draw only 1 bead. But this value of this 1 bead is 10. This 1 bead is equal to 10 beads of this spike. So 1 bead of this 1 bead is equal to 10 beads of दिस स्पाइक. मतलब इसके बदले, इसमें 10 बीड्स के बदले इसमें अकेले ये बीड है. इसके एक बीड, इसका मतलब ये बता रहा है एक बंडल है. ये बीड का एक बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर ऐसा ऐसा 10 बीड्स होगा. अब इसको देखें, वैसे कुछ करना इसमें है नहीं, कुछ खास नहीं है, कुछ बहुत ज्यादा परेशानी की बात नहीं है. जैसे यहाँ 2 1 है तो यहाँ पर 2 बीड्स बना दीजिए. यहाँ 1 है तो 1 बीड बना दीजिए. माने जस्ट काउंटिंग सही होना चाहिए. जैसे यहाँ 5 0 है, 5 1 2 3 4 5. नाउ 0 मीन्स नो एनी बीट, मीन्स दिस इज एम्प्टी, मतलब खाली. एम्प्टी का मतलब खाली. अब जैसे ये बॉक्स खाली है, ये स्पाइक खाली है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर एक भी बीट नहीं है इसमें. यहां देखिए, ये 50 है, 50 है, लेकिन ये क्या है, ओनली 5. यहाँ 1 2 3 4 5, बट नो, दिस इज वैकेंट. आई विल लीव इट एम्प्टी एज नो एनी नंबर इज रिटन हियर. सो देयर इज डिफरेंस. नाउ द 2 spikes. Question number 3 and 4. Just I have selected question 3 and 4. Very carefully, that this differentiate 5 and 50. That 5 and 50 are different number, and the representation of 5 and 50 is also different. Now question number 5 and 6. 4 questions which I have cleared just now, and the 2 questions 5 and 6 both are just opposite to each other. In the above question 1 to 4, I have draw the beads. Now in question 5 and 6, the beads are already drawn. The beads are already drawn and I have to count it. 1, 2, 3. Write down 3. 1, 2. Write down 2. Now, so this abacus, we call it abacus. So abacus represents 20. Now what this abacus represents? What number this represents? This is 1, but this is complete empty. So 0. So this is the representation of 10. So similar question you will get in assignment 10.